Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drone with 4K camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a drone with 4K camera, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Fema GPS Drone with 4K Camera. Brand name, Fema. Model number, S3. Fema S3 GPS Drone with 4K HD Camera. RC distance 1 km. Professional RC Quadcopter. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture to the camera. Multi-point planning flight of the route. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Spot surround, find the center point around and move the desired surround radius with the joystick. MV features, filters, video effects, background music, photo-video sharing. Camera lens, 120 degree. Adjustable angle camera, 90 degree. Flight time, about 25 minutes. Drone battery, 7.4 volts 2200 milliamperes. 5G Wi-Fi. Image transmission distance, free interference and no occlusion, 800 meters. GPS follow me, 30 meters. Number 4. LSRC Foldable Quadcopter RC Drone. Brand name, LSRC. Model number, K20. Professional GPS 5 grams HD 4K camera. 5G image transmission is clearer and better. This drone reaches 800 meters picture transmission, 1,800 meters remote control distance. GPS accurate positioning, 4K pixel level pixel, brushless motor, folding body, lost, returning, long-term life. GPS positioning, return, fly and fly far away. GPS accurate return technology, no matter the strength of the signal, can fly without resistance, fly back out of the remote range, can also automatically return to the air. Innovative body design, more stable and faster, flight time 25 minute, flight speed 16 meter per second. Long battery life, modular battery 11.1 volt 1800 milliamperes. Electric camera, flexible creation, 110 degree super wide range, 75 degree electric angle. Outstanding image performance. Number 3. Laumox Sjrc Professional 4K Drone. Brand name, Laumox. Model number, F11 4K Pro. True 4K camera with clearer picture quality. 4K plus HDR ultra clear image quality, H.265 encoding. What you see is what you get. 5G image transmission, HD does not delay or freeze. The real-time image transmission distance reaches 1.2 kilometers. GPS satellite positioning system, flight more stable, refuse to lose. Brushless motor, strong power, longer life. Folding design, controlled with one hand, travel light. Smart modular battery, 11.1 volt 2500 milliamperes, large capacity, real-time display of power, long battery life and easy replacement. About 30 minutes long battery life. Gesture photo, through the app, tap the gesture camera mode, just one gesture to complete the photo. GPS positioning awareness makes flying more secure. Waypoint planning, draw the flight waypoint on the app map, then you can fly according to the drawn waypoint. Number 2. ZLL GPS Drone with Wi-Fi 4K camera. Brand name, ZLL. Model number, SG906 Pro. GPS drone with Wi-Fi 4K camera. Anti-shake gimbal brushless professional quadcopter drone. GPS return to start point and point with low power and no signal. GPS smart following. After the plane left the GPS, it will open the app following function, and the plane will follow the mobile phone. In addition, image following, detect the shooting object and follow the flight automatically. Route multi-point planning flight, The plane autonomously fly after the preset route. The player focuses on shooting fixed point surround, find the center of the surround, and then move the desired surround radius through the rocker. Track and remind the drone. Click on the GPS signal icon 3 times. Open the map interface. The map shows the closing distance of the aircraft, length and latitude position. Photo and video sharing. Photos can be shared individually or selectively, and videos can only be shared one by one at a time. Lifetime, SG906 Pro 2, 7.6 volt 3400 mAh about 26 minutes. Charging time, about 6 hours. Remote control distance, about 1,200 meters. Transmission distance, about 600 to 800 meters. Remote control height, about 120 meters. Gesture recognition shooting, 1 to 3 meters. Number 1. Hubsan FPV with 4K 30 FPS UHD camera. Brand name, Hubsan. Model number, Hubsan Xeno Pro Plus. Ultra HD 4K aerial photography. FPV with 4K 30 FPS UHD camera 3-axis. GPS mode, attitude mode. Image stabilization system. Ultra HD 4K camera, mechanical 3-axis stabilization gimbal. With Sync-Lease image transmission system, higher image clarity and more stability. Image transmission distance 8 km, Japan specifications, 2 km. Battery, the latest polymer-powered 3 smart battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh. Lifetime, max flying time 43 minutes at slow speed, 25 km per hour, 40 minutes hovering without wind. Charging, support intelligent charger, support 5 batteries to charge at the same time. The battery can be used as a power bank for external power supply. Image tracking, frame the target and the aircraft will active track mode. Vision assisted landing, it will automatically search the apron when the aircraft performs landing, land on the apron and implement accurate landing. Surround mode, set around the center and fly around the center point. Automatic return home. Panoramic photos, spherical panoramas, 180-degree panoramas, vertical shots, wide angle, only take sub-photos, do not support synthesis. Time-lapse photography, free delay, surround delay, directional delay, track delay.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.